Joanna, class 1, to come forward and lead us in pledge.
India is, stretch your hands. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. Its rich. Its rich. And varied heritage. I shall always. I shall always. Try to be. Try to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all elders. And all elders. Respect. Respect. And treat everyone. And treat everyone. With courtesy. With courtesy. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. To pledge my devotion. To pledge my devotion. And there will be. There will be. Prosperity. And prosperity. A long life. A long life. My happiness. My happiness. Hands down.
Now I request Meghna to come forward and lead us in prayer.
Join our hands and close our eyes. Our God, who is in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom, come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, power, and glory forever and ever.